All right, we're now going to go through example 1 here. So it says the precedence table below gives the activities involved in a landscaping project. So we've got all these different activities, we've got the duration of each activities, we've got the predecessors. The first thing it wants us to do is contract an activity network for the project. Now we did this a lot in the previous lesson, and if you're still struggling with this, you should definitely go back to that previous lesson and brush up on it. But for this lesson, I want to keep our minds in critical path analysis mode. I don't want to be going back and forth. So I've drawn it for us already, and I just want you to copy it down. So there it is. I just want you to copy it down. You should know how to take this precedence table and turn it into an activity network. You should already know how to do this. If you don't know how to do this, refer back to the previous lesson. We go through tons of examples there. But in this video, I want to keep your mind in critical path analysis mode. All right. It then says, complete the columns in the table for the early start time, the later start time, the float time by doing a forward and backward scan. So we're now going to come here and we're going to do a forward and backward scan. And just before we begin, let me just say, I'm not going to be using this method where we have boxes everywhere. Rather, I'm going to be using the method that we did at the very beginning when we're doing this. So we're going to begin right now. So let us get into it. Let's go.